After 2018 web series Rangbaz, Pathak once again collaborates with Siddharth Mishra and bringing us Kathmandu Connection. As usual, there are conspiracies, there are twists and turns, and there are action and thriller. Moreover, there are three returnees from Jamtara Sabka Number Aayega, Amit Sial, Aksha, and Anushman. And last not the least, a Gopal Dutt, who recently worked in Wakalat from home as a comedian. He has come up with a very new and changed role, and he worked also in Delhi Crime as well. So I think his character his suits him the most. So before talking about synopsis, let's talk about the characters, that how they are. Strong as a cop and vulnerable as a father and a husband, battling with his relationship and his family life. DCP Samarth Kaushik, very well played by Amit Sial. He also worked in Mirzapur as a cop, but that role was a little not too strong as compared to this one. Overall, there are flaws, and somewhere the story fizzes out, and you will really feel like in these 6 episodes, episode 1 and 2 is perfect because they wanted to create the background and narrative. They drag a little bit, but they linked up things very quickly. Kathmandu Connection is set in aftermath of 93. The investigation officer died, whereas hotelier was kidnapped. The kidnappers ran away, but the hotelier was safely recovered, whereas he's under huge backfire because the media is on a field trip and they are asking so many complicated questions, and they are also roasting him, and especially regarding his family life. They are comparing that you cannot keep balance between the stress that you are having from your work and your family life, and thus it creates another controversy. Shivani Bhatnagar, a renowned journalist, played by Aksha, and she is being stalked, and she reaches DCP Kaushik, Amit Sial, and told him what is happening. She has been getting mysterious unknown calls. So now, DCP Kaushik started investigating about all these events, and he is thinking beyond what is happening with his colleague. Whereas on the parallel, a CBI officer Hatish Agarwal, very well played by Gopal Dutt, having his own parallel investigation to find out what are the links between all this. Will they be able to find out who are the people behind all this, why the investigative officer was being killed, and who are the people behind him? While both teams are having a parallel investigation, somehow they cross their path and meet at the one destination, and they are being shocked by the event that happens, and thus they started investigating that what is the link between Kathmandu and all the events that are happening here. Sunny Sharma, played by Anushman from Jamtara, and he is involved in all the illegal activities and running smuggling, kidnapping, and even his casino in Nepal. So his character should be very convincing, but you will see whenever he is talking with one lady, he is not being portrayed up to the mark. He should. So, what is the link of a female journalist with Sunny Sharma? You have to figure it out by watching this series, and that is I think the weakest point that does show that they are in the middle of the series, the things fizzle out. But this loophole is there, but overall the web series is very good because when they communicate with each other, it doesn't give you the vibe that he is really something, because when he talks, his acting doesn't prove that he is really wanted to become a Don of South Asia. So overall, I think it's all about Amit Sial and his companion. His role is also good, and CBI officer, it is also very good. The weakest Overall, I feel like is the journalist and especially their chemistry with Amit Syal. That's why it fizzles out in the middle. And moreover, her relationship or what is her relationship with Sunny Sharma. That's the biggest point. Overall, it is very good to watch. Much better than Hero Bol Raha Hoon. And I hope you will really like this. So kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.